Okay, I have this package just came today. This is air protection for the package. It's quite nice actually, this kind of the protection. I not seen this quite often with the reseller send any electronic goods. This is supposed to be to protect something like hard disk, electronic. Most likely is hard disk is very suitable using this one rather than bubble wrap. You can press and then can pop up easily. But this one is it's so rigid and can protect. I only see this when I purchase one of the car shampoo, and now this one. So I suggest some of the seller, if for electronics especially, they might use this to send their product. So it's a travel router. This is very unique because it's capable of do open VPN, travel friendly, and up to 128 GB for the micro SD, and the speed is 750 MB combined. So the model is a GL-AR750. This is not new. There's a new one in their website. The way I like this router because this is the address for this is the logo GL.iNet. I get these two kind of router actually. Inside the box there's a two router. One of them this one is a GL-AR300M mini router. So this is 300M this is with the external antenna, and if you can see, this is the spec. You got a storage 128 with nano flash 128. So this is only operate 2.4 frequency band. Transmission is 300 Mbps, and there's a 1000 Mbps LAN. Yeah, that's a simple basic for this one. Then explain also about the VPN router. Then this is the hardware look like, and this is the manual book for the other router, which is AR750. Okay, it's almost look like my Western Digital, my book life or my book. So let's open. Okay, now this is the router. As you can see, it's very small. So this is almost similar with the Western Digital my book light. So the power will be provided using the micro USB, and this USB extension port can be used as a thumb drive or SD card. Put in the thumb drive adapter, and this you can access to this router, become a sort of NAS or network access storage. So the port provided 3 is a WAN and then 2 LAN. So that is very nice. And the other one is this one, very small, because I believe I cannot find in D-Link or TP-Link. The TP-Link also last time they released this kind of the travel router with the similar spec, almost the same design, but now they don't have any USB anymore. But this one still have a USB. This one can support both of them. If I'm not mistaken, is for the NAS or external hard disk or micro SD card, and with adapter plug in here, and then you access this router IP address, and then you can find the storage over there. So it convert this one as a wireless portable storage for those like Seagate or Western Digital. So this one, of course, the downside is you must use a USB adapter. It's not come within with with the power adapter inside. So they include the power adapter. They include the RJ45 LAN. It's a flat type cable. This is highlighted, and 2 micro USB. Because I believe I purchased this actually without box, but courtesy to them, I think they give the box, one of them. I thought they never give all the box, so they give the box for the GL.iNet. Very good. So this is the main priority of the product, I guess. It's more expensive compared to this one. And yeah, so this is the power adapter. Power adapter is almost similar with other power adapter. One USB only, and the specification is 5 volt with the 2000 milliampere. And I think this one is can detach. Okay, can detach. So this is the UK pin, but actually inside is a US pin. I like the US pin. It's more compact, always can be carry or can be flipped like this. The UK type is the oldest in the earth or world, because they have a 3-pin. So the US is always compact. But check again the power adapter. Yep, it's 100 to 200 volt. So it's a international power adapter. Okay, I think that's it for the unboxing. It's quite compact and small actually, doesn't have big. And this one is there's a WAN and LAN, 2 port only. For this one, 3 port is a WAN, 1 WAN and 2 LAN. Okay, and there's this is the difference is this one have a SD card slot, can put it in. So I straight away can put in SD card slot to have this become normal storage or wireless storage. But this one, no, they can use this one as a storage. I haven't tried, but I think they claim to be the USB port also can use for printing as well. Put it on a normal printer USB, then this one can print. So this is, I think, the best router I can have rather than the TP-Link or other brand right now currently in the market. By the way, let's take a look again for this GL-750. There's a mode here to switch. I need to read the manual. So, and there's a switch also here. Okay, and take a look again on the power adapter. The power adapter is like this. Push out. There's a hidden USB connection. So, the hidden US connection. Like this. The way I like US, it got the hole also inside. And then this one slide off. And then it slide in. Very compact. So, in the sense, when you travel this to US, you don't need to worry, or UK, you don't need to worry, because they have a dual functionality of the adapter. Okay, this is how it looks on the interface. The IP address is by default 192.168.1. I already preset the password, and it's simply this kind of menu. Look interactive, very nice. I found that this USB here is actually can be used many things, and also can use 3G device and 3G route. I mean USB 3G modem, like a dongle, but it's 3G or 4G, and you can plug in here, and then you can dial in as a modem, wireless modem. So that's one thing, and also can use as an external device like a SD card or thumb drive. Below here, there's a DNS by default, so it can be accessed through the internet. You can see here I need to cover it because I don't want, and the model number is here, and then there's a MAC address here also. And okay, so the menu here is quite simple. Then there's another one called advanced setting on the right corner top. So this advanced setting is more to the Linux configuration. The password to be the same. So you can see now is many things you can see here. A lot of things like status, firewall. There's a firewall also. You can predefine the firewall, quite advanced. You understand the firewall configuration, so this is very good to play with. And there's a route. There's a system log, kernel log, and process, and real-time graphics. So I haven't tried yet. It looks like this is something very interesting. I never seen router before. A small router can provide. This kind of small router just can provide many things. So this is real-time graphic. So you can know what are the client, how many, the load, and so on. Then it's using the OpenWRT. There's a lot of configuration under the advanced setting. Yeah, but seem to be the one I'm looking for is not here, which is the Dhcp configuration between from the start until the end is not here. But you can static Dhcp this. Yes, but other than that, I cannot find how do I set how many hosts for the Dhcp. Yeah, that's one thing. There's a schedule task. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, the system contract. You can use a submit here. This is for if you are Linux advanced, you understand about this as well. Service shadow sock. I'm not sure what is that. Never heard. Oh, this is socks. Oh, okay. The proxy socks 5, port forwarding, DNS forwarder China, DNS, so this is new, UPnP, okay, network share, this is network share, how you want to configure the directory, okay, there's a diagnostic as well, can ping, can test route, and lookup. There's a load balancing. This is quite interesting. I think this is to load between the WAN and there's a 3 types: WAN, WWAN, tethering, and modem. This is very interesting. Okay, so the small router have a capability of a lot of things. That's very good. Yeah, predefined DNS. This is the IP public, I think. There's a static route. Okay. QoS as well. Okay, that's a lot of things. So go back to menu. I think just press this one.